Imagine you're searching for a contact in your phone. You type a name, and boom, it appears instantly. Ever wondered how that works so fast? That's because of something called a hash table. Let's break it down in a simple way. What is a hash table? A hash table is a special data structure that helps store and retrieve data quickly. Instead of searching through a long list, it uses a special function called a hash function to convert data into a unique key. This makes searching, inserting, and deleting data super fast, almost instant. Real life example. Let's say you're in a library with thousands of books. Without an index, you'd have to check each book one by one. But with a well-organized index, you can quickly jump to the exact section where your book is located. That's exactly how a hash table works. It creates an index so you can find data instantly instead of searching through everything. How does a hash table work? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Store data efficiently. A hash function takes input, like a name or number, and converts it into a unique key. Step 2. Retrieve data instantly. When you search for something, the hash function helps find it without scanning everything. Step 3. Handle collisions. Sometimes, two different pieces of data might end up with the same key. This is called a collision, and hash tables use techniques like chaining or open addressing to handle it. Now, let's see how a hash table works in Python. Here, the hash function generates an index for each key, and the values are stored in that specific index. When we need to retrieve data, we use the key to directly jump to the right location instead of searching through everything. This makes hash tables super efficient. Why are hash tables important? Hash tables are used in so many things around us. Here are some key benefits. Super fast searching. Lookups happen in constant time. O1, making them much faster than lists or arrays. Efficient data storage. They provide a quick way to store and retrieve large amounts of data. Used everywhere. Hash tables are used in databases, caches, dictionaries, and even search engines. So, the next time you quickly search for a contact on your phone, find a video recommendation or access a saved password. Remember? Hash tables are working behind the scenes. If you found this explanation useful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.